Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the right rear surface element switch in your electric range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Open the oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the control panel's lower cover. Remove the cover. Next, unthread the two screws securing the control panel to the frame. Place a towel on the cooktop surface, then detach the control panel and rest it on the towel. Pull off the right rear surface element switch control knob. Unthread the two screws securing the control knob bezel and the switch itself. If applicable, remove the gasket. You can now use a flathead screwdriver to help disconnect the two wire connectors to fully remove the old switch. Install the new surface element switch by first connecting the wire connectors. Slide the gasket over the switch stem, then position the switch in the control panel. Realign the bezel with the red marking on top, then thread and tighten the two screws to secure. Slide the knob onto the new switch stem. Realign the control panel on the front brackets. Secure it with the screws. Replace the lower cover, then thread the screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the electric range should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.